What's up, everybody? Welcome to Legendary Box Breaks. We're getting ready to get started tonight with a 2013-14 Totally Certified Basketball. There'll be 6 hits. It's normally 3 autographs, 3 memorabilia. They mix it up sometimes and do 4 autographs, but it says 3 and 3, so that's what we'll go with. All right. Got all of our names plugged in here to our randomizer. We're going to randomize it once. We're going to mix them up one more time. We'll copy and paste. Get everybody lined up with a team, and we'll get started. Go real slow here so everybody can see who they've got. And I will call them off as I hit them. And we'll be giving out all the autographs, memorabilia, and any serial number cards that come along. All right. Wish everybody good luck. Hopefully we can get something good tonight. Six packs. Empty box. There. All right, guys. Good luck. Hopefully we can hit a black 1 of 1 or a gold autograph of somebody good. This is a really thin pack. It looks like we've got a redemption card. Oh, go the wrong way there. Slide her down real slow so you can see. Certified Future Stars signatures. That is Rudy Gobert. And I have no idea who he plays for, so I'll get Eric to look that up for you. I'll let you know in just a minute. Right. Not a good start. All right.
Utah Jazz.
That would be the Utah Jazz, and we're going to be giving that one out to Ryan B. Ryan B. All right. We got our first jersey for the New York Knicks. This is Rasheed Wallace. New York Knicks goes to Zachary D. Let's see if that's numbered. It is numbered. It's 45 of 99. Here you go, Zach. We've also got another serial numbered card. We got a Al Jefferson for the Bobcats. And that also goes to Zachary D. And that card is numbered 96 of 99. There we go. All right. Base. Oh, we got green. I believe that is numbered to 5, if I recall correctly. It is a patch of DeMar DeRozan for the Toronto Raptors. Beautiful patch. Totally certified green. That goes to Chris M. And that card is numbered 4 of 5. Good looking card there, Chris. DeMar DeRozan. Multicolor patch. Numbered to 5. Nice card, Chris. Anything else? Alright, looks like we got an autograph coming up. We got a red rookie roll call. That is a Tim Hardaway Jr. autograph rookie. Nice looking card there. Goes to the New York Knicks.
Zachary D.
And that is Zachary D. Good looking rookie autograph there of Tim Hardaway Jr. And that is numbered 96 of 99. It's been a pretty good box so far. We got anything else here? Alright. Looks like we got another patch coming up. A jersey. Is it jersey? Miami Heat. And that would be Michael Beasley. Totally certified jersey goes to Steve D. It is not serial numbered. See if we got anything else numbered here. Nope. Alright, last pack. Big finish, guys. Come on, Kobe. Looks like we got a red autograph of, get it turned the right way here, sticking together. Yeah, there we go. Michael Petras. And that goes to the Toronto Raptors, and that goes to Chris M. Michael Petras. It's number 52 of 99. There you go. Guys, that ends it for tonight. Check the website later on. We'll be putting up a new box for next week. And show this card one more time. Good looking card. Thanks everybody for joining us, and we will see you next time.